Hello world, my name's Patrick Sweetman. This is my virtual handshake. Whether you're in Dubai, in Ohio, in Columbus, in Austria, in Seattle, anywhere in the world, I want to be able to say hi to you and I want to be able to work with you because that's possible now. A lot of my experience, which I'll talk about in a bit, has been with working with people across the world on projects that are diverse in scale as well as in purpose. I'm a software engineer looking to change the world in specifically the spaces of IoT and AI. IoT stands for Internet of Things and AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Some experience on what I've been doing. A couple years ago I started working for General Electric in their Cybersecurity division, working on third-party security audits. So all of GE's third-party partnerships, I was auditing their cybersecurity. Then moving into this past year, I was working at a company called Uptake. Uptake is a data science company out of Chicago, Illinois. That is a great company. If you have some time, look into them. They have a very holistic work environment, and they're doing major work across a bunch of different industries, including aviation, healthcare, manufacturing, transportation. The CEO is also an awesome guy, Brad Keywell, founder of Groupon. I loved hearing that man talk every single day. And most recently, I am been freelancing on Upwork for the past 2 years, working with everything from startups to massive companies, doing project work and hourly work. I've been going to meetups around the Columbus area, including Free Code Camp Columbus, the Alexa Dev meetup group. Most of my work has been in the voice interface recently. I love doing work on Amazon Alexa and on Google Home, and that's where most of my clients have been in the past. This summer, I'm going to be going out to Seattle to work with Amazon on their AWS IoT team. So I'm going to be dealing with a lot of the services that are the backbones of the Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa society, as well as just the broader IoT society in general. I'm hoping when I go out here to be able to learn a lot about where IoT is at and how smart cities are being built on top of the AWS platform. And then moving from there, I'd like to be able to explore with different cities how they're currently using IoT and then how they potentially could increase the public service offering that they are putting using IoT services. So I love collaborating with people. I love meeting new people with diverse perspectives and experiences from me, and then just riffing on that. Collaborating, meeting up, calling on a phone, talking, and communication is very important for me. With all of my clients, I make sure that before any work is done, before any hours are billed, I communicate very clearly with the client, make sure that I repeat to them what it is they're asking for. That way they can come back to me, clarify a little bit. That usually takes a day or two, and then I'm able to get working much faster because we cut out a lot of the steps of having to iterate and cut down on the product because we aligned in that first moment with our original why. So if you want to work with me, currently I'm in San Diego or I'm in Seattle, Washington. I've been doing this West exploration for the summer. So I made this new version of my virtual handshake to let everybody know I'm not looking for work right now. So if you need someone, I'm sorry, but over the summer I am busy in Seattle and San Diego doing my stuff. But in the fall, come August 20th, 2018, I'm going to be back in Columbus, Ohio. So I'll be ready to work with anybody in the Columbus area, as well as anybody around the world who wants to find me either on any of my social medias at Sweetman Tech, or on my website, patricksweetman.com. You can also hit me up on Upwork. I love meeting with people, especially people who are passionate about the work they do and people who are trying to make the world a better place, not just for themselves, but for every other person around them. It was nice to meet you. Namaste.